Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have ever felt like your current pans are holding back your culinary potential, you are not alone. Today we are looking at this 11-piece 3-ply stainless steel cookware set. It is rare to find a set that balances professional-grade performance with home kitchen practicality, but this might just be the contender you have been waiting for. Let us start with the build quality. This is a 3-ply construction, which is the gold standard for serious home cooks. It features a 304 stainless steel interior, which is non-toxic and excellent for searing. In the center, there is a thick aluminum core that handles the heat distribution. This is critical because it eliminates those annoying hot spots that burn your food. On the outside, you have 430 stainless steel, which makes the set fully compatible with all cooktops, including induction. The set is comprehensive. You get a 1.5 quart and a 2.2 quart saucepan, a 3-quart saute pan, a 9.5-inch skillet, a 10-inch skillet, and a 6-quart stockpot that even comes with a steamer insert. The tempered glass lids are a highlight here. They have wide rims and a tight seal, which is perfect for locking in moisture and flavor while allowing you to keep an eye on your food without constantly lifting the lid and losing heat. I really appreciate the ergonomic design of the handles. They are riveted for extreme durability and stay cool while you are cooking on the stovetop. There is nothing worse than grabbing a handle and needing an oven mitt just to stir your sauce. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the versatility is unmatched. Whether you are using gas, electric, ceramic, or induction, these perform consistently. They are also oven safe and dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for cleanup. The mirror finish looks stunning on any stove. However, keep in mind that with high-quality stainless steel, you do need to learn basic heat management. If you crank the heat too high, you might get some sticking, so always preheat your pan properly. Also, because they are built to last with high-quality materials, they have a substantial weight to them. If you prefer featherweight pans, these will definitely feel different in your hand. In conclusion, this 11-piece set is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen equipment to a professional level. It covers all the bases for everyday cooking and looks beautiful doing it. If you are serious about leveling up your cooking game, this set is well worth your consideration. Link in the description.